And we have breaking news tonight. A Franklin County judge issued a ruling today on an Ohio law that would restrict gender-affirming care for transgender minors.
Judge Michael Holbrook is now allowing that law, which started as House Bill 68, to take effect. The ruling follows a lawsuit that challenged the law, which was under a temporary restraining order.
And now the judge lifted that order. NBC4 State House reporter Natalie Fahmy joins us now with reaction. And tell us what all this means, Natalie.
Well, Colleen, Carrie, there are a lot of emotions on both sides of this issue as this law now takes effect immediately, nearly 3 months after it was first supposed to. The ACLU of Ohio, alongside parents of transgender youth, challenged this law here in Franklin County. Today, the judge determined it does not violate the Constitution and writes that there can be no doubt that the health care ban is neither arbitrary nor unreasonable. The ACLU of Ohio says this law is devastating for families. Meanwhile, the Attorney General's office, who argued for the defense, says they applaud the decision. I caught up with both the bill sponsors and a pediatrician who say this decision means different things for the state and families.
This is a terrific day for the state. This is one of the best days the state has had in a while. Children are just not old enough. They're not mature enough to be able to make these lifelong decisions.
It's going to very adversely affect transgender youth and families. The legislators who are behind this decided that they know better than medical providers and the major medical associations in this country on how to treat kids with gender dysphoria.
This law also prohibits transgender athletes from playing on teams that align with their gender identity at all levels, including college.
All right, Natalie, I got to ask, we're expecting further challenges to this law. Does the ruling leave the families of transgender children in limbo while those move forward?
Yeah, well, this definitely does not end yet. So the ACLU of Ohio has already said that they are immediately appealing this decision. The bill sponsor tells me he is confident they can win an appeal in the Ohio Supreme Court.
All right, thanks so much, Natalie. NBC4 first told you about that ruling today in a mobile app push. You can also read Judge Michael Holbrook's ruling in full on our website. You can find it at NBC4i.com.